So many times people have cracks on the exterior of their home. Maybe it's stucco, maybe it's brick, something like this, or other type of outside cracks, even some hairline cracks. And usually people find out when there's water that comes in and does some damage. So are these type of things, these cracks of various sizes, are they covered by your homeowner's insurance? We're going to find out. Let's take a look. So my name is Mike Keeler. I'm a licensed public adjuster in the state of Florida. I'm your only YouTube public adjuster and your favorite public adjuster on YouTube. So as I mentioned, a lot of these types of cracks you'll find on the exterior of the walls, sometimes they go vertical or horizontal, as what you see here. So this one's going vertical, and then it's kind of across horizontal. A lot of time these cracks to your home, it's going to be a foundation issue. And the cracks inside the home, whether it's around the ceiling, walls, it could be a couple different things. Sometimes even depending what this looks like, it's a top stucco probably. So sometimes people have stucco, this could be concrete, stucco on the exterior of the wall over concrete block. And a lot of times that's just from wear and tear and the long-term nature of weather and the heat, the cold, the expansion and contraction. So what happened? I mean, how did these cracks happen, right? So it's very important that you know the details, or at least try to know, before you file a claim. Too many people go ahead and file a claim. The cracks on the exterior aren't covered a lot of times because you're going to find out that it's settling, the age of the house, right? If it's been there for over 25 years, you have a deterioration sometimes of the soil. Now the one avenue for both inside and the exterior that could justify filing a claim of your cracks would be a hurricane. Other than that, there really isn't too much. What else can you say? Because remember, there's only certain covered perils. That is fire, lightning, wind, sudden accidental water, like a pipe break, okay, vandalism, theft. So you've got to fit underneath those type of perils. So the homeowner's policy will specifically state somewhere about it excludes any type of settling or foundational damage or stuff like that. And so the verbiage is such that you have to find out a covered peril. And that can be as a hurricane. If you're not in Florida and you don't have a hurricane, tornado, or any type of major wind event, then obviously it's going to be very difficult. So here's just a little additional coverage tidbit when we're talking about some of the damage that can occur. So this is the inside of the home. And as you can see, there's clear water damage from a crack along the wall. Now, that very easily could have come from outside. So what happens in that instance? Well, depending on your policy, depending who the carrier is, there's a pretty good chance you can have coverage for water intrusion if it was from any type of severe storm, okay? Because some of these storms, they're going to force water into the smallest crack outside your home and cause damage inside. Now, obviously, if this is all you have, it's not going to be worth filing a claim. It's an easy fix. A lot of times what happens in these situations with the cracks outside the home, floor damage, especially if you have wood floors. Underneath, they'll start dripping through, let's say in this scenario, let's say these are baseboards right here. Okay, this blue. Let's say these are baseboards. And it goes down to the floor if you have wood floors. And then before you know it, it's underneath the wood floors. They start warping, buckling, whatever the case might be, mold underneath there, and now you got a bigger problem. So again, depending on the company, There usually is coverage, but some companies, just because there's coverage, doesn't mean they're going to cover it. So again, my name is Mike Keeler. I'm a licensed public adjuster here in the state of Florida. If you have a question, need help with a claim, here's my contact information. Thanks for watching this video.